Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of New BQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. I'm your host, Jazz. Today I'm holding my camera because I got my stand over here and it's all messed up and I got a lot of cleaning to do in here today. But we have something special going on. We are cooking two, dos. We're cooking dos pork butts today. I got a friend of mine who they're having like a baptism party get-together thing. They asked me if I cook a couple pork butts for them. So, kind of branching out. I jumped on the offer, figured let's do this. I'm normally not the one to do these kinds of things. Basically because I just don't know if my anxiety can handle it. But right now, we're going to do it anyway. We're going to cook a couple pork butts. Should be pretty simple and easy, straightforward. Got the drums. We got the sisters, the girls, the twins. They are ready to go. I got the charcoal in them. I've got the wood ready to go. Everything should technically be ready to go. So we're going to get those suckers lit. I'm going to shut the door and then we're going to trim our pork butts. We're going to inject them today. We're going to cover them some mustard, some seasoning, and we're going to get them put on. So let's get after it. So it's really cold. Just can't see it on the camera. Anyway, it's really, really cold. One pork butt is done. It's in the cooler. I'm going to pull it out here and start chopping it up. And the other one is almost done. We're almost to temp on the other one. I started losing temp on one smoker, so I added some charcoal to the other one that I was done with. And I swapped the meat over to the other one. That way, hopefully, the temp will go up a little higher, last a little longer, yada, 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 yada. Anyway, so once that one's done, we'll put it in the cooler and then we'll chop it up. But while we're waiting for that one to be done, let's do the first one. Also, real quick, I wanted to mention a couple things. One, yes, I trim all the fat cap off. Deal with it, internet. It's just, it is. I like it better that way. It works the same way. It doesn't hurt anything. Doesn't change anything. I like it better that way. You get more bark. It's just personal preference. Two, super cold today. So like I said, it's been like 30s and less, 30s and under all day. And I think that is why it's taken a lot longer. So I think we're like 7 hours now. It should have been done, but it's just super cold. So I think everything's just taking longer. So anyway, let's get this first butt pulled up. Alright, y'all, just a fast recap. So I got the pork butts done. I got them all pulled up. It was late that night, and I got it all put into a pan and everything, and then I ended up going to bed. The next morning I got up, I put everything in a big roaster, make sure everything was warmed back up, took those two pork butts out to the venue that I was going to, and then that was it. Everybody ate it. It was all gone by the time I got there. They said it was amazing, so that's as good as I can expect, I guess. So anyway, that is it for this video. Sorry it wasn't any better, but anyway, that's all I got for you. We'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to follow me on my social medias: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at NewbieCube2020. TikTok, NewbieCube Backyard Barbecue. You know, buy some merch. What up? Help a brother out, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace. Love you.